Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Hisense 55 inches U6 series mini LED 4K Smart Fire TV 2025 model with mini LED backlighting, 144 Hz of refresh rate and Dolby Vision support. It promises premium features at a mid-range price. So if you are considering upgrading your TV in 2026, you can check out the product link in the description box below. So let's see if it actually worth purchasing in 2026. So the biggest highlight here is the mini LED technology, delivering up to 1000 nits peak brightness and around 600 local dimming zones. That translates to the deeper black, stronger contrast and reduced halo effect as compared to the standard LED TVs. Combined with OLED color technology, the result is vibrant, punchy visuals that look impressive in both bright and the dark scenes. The TV supports HDR10+, Dolby Vision, IQ, and multiple HDR formats, ensuring better color accuracy and dynamic brightness adjustments. Whether you are watching the movies, sports, or streaming shows, the picture quality stands out in this particular price range. For gamers, this TV features a native 144 Hz of refresh rate with variable refresh rates support from 48 Hz to 148 Hz. So it is going to basically deliver the smooth gameplay with minimal input lag, especially noticeable in the fast-paced titles. Casual gamers will appreciate it and competitive players will benefit from the higher refresh rate. The audio includes the Dolby Atmos support and a built-in subwoofer, which adds depth as compared to the typical TV speakers. However, for true home theater performance, an external soundbar is still recommended. On the smart side, it runs Fire TV operating system, giving you quick access to the streaming application and the voice control features. The setup is very simple and the navigation also feels very responsive. The build quality of the product is very solid with a sleek modern design that fits well in most of the living rooms. So if you want strong picture quality, solid gaming performance and premium display tech without paying the flagship prices, it's a great mid-range choice. Just consider adding the external speakers for the best audio experience. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you want to check out this product, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching.